Usually, the word gender or sex refers to our masculinity or femininity, whether we are male or female. This is in general. Now, normally what happens when a child is born, depending upon the genitals, whether it's got a penis and testis or vulva or vagina, the people in the labor room, the doctor, nurses, etc., they assign a gender at birth, being a male or a female. Then the parents are told, you got a boy, you got a girl, etc. Parents accept that, and when they see the child genital, they also accept. The society accepts that. This is not sufficient. Ultimately, the concerned individual must also accept that he or she is a male or a female. That means every person must identify themselves with the gender assigned at birth. We all agree and we are comfortable. This is what usually happens. And it is called technically binary genders. That is two, male and female. Now, if people can't identify themselves as given by the gender assigned at sex, they are not accepting the gender assigned at birth for them. They think they are different. Then we have a problem called gender identity problem. A person may be purely biological male. You test him, his hormones that be of a male, his biological structure, anatomy is that of a male. Chromosomes will be male. But he thinks he is not a male, he is a female. Somebody by mistake put him in the male's body. That means he is not identifying with this assigned gender. Then you have a problem known as gender identity problem. Right? Now, people who don't accept their gender identity, they will go through a lot of mental turmoil because they don't fit into the societally accepted gender roles and gender behavior. A man may like to dress like a woman. When I say man, biological man. A man with gender identity crisis, he thinks he is wrongly put in a male's body. He would like to wear the woman's clothes and behave like a woman. The society will not accept it. They are shocked. These people who don't fit into this, they come under a broad category called transgender. That means people who do not identify themselves with the gender assigned at birth, they come under broad umbrella heading called transgender. Now the question somebody asked, third gender. Normally we have two genders, binary, male and female. A person who do not accept himself or herself as either male or female, he comes as third gender. That is why the government today has permitted to use the word third gender in certain official documents. Right? Now, you must also understand the word transsexual. Transsexual is a transgender, but who has undergone medical management, gender reassignment surgery or sex reassignment surgery to be the person of the gender he wants to be. Again, simplifying it, a person who is a transgender just feels that he has been wrongly put into the wrong body. He does not want to change his biological body by surgery or medicines. But somebody wants to change that and live full time as the opposite sex. They undergo hormone treatment, they undergo plastic surgery, cosmetic surgery. For example, a man may remove his penis and testicles, and doctors can create an artificial vagina. And he will take hormone treatment to develop his breast also. These persons are called transsexuals. So these people undergo a lot of mental trauma and turmoil. Since most of us commonly in society are not sure of what is happening to them, we are not able to understand, we get worried and concerned about that, the fear of the unknown. But they are all actual human beings. Only thing, they do not accept the gender assigned to them at birth.